Good morning from Hong Kong. My name is Greg Papandrew.
My name is Clement Yun. We are the co-founders of Direct PCB.
And welcome to the fourth edition of Gerbers and Grounds from Asia.
From Hong Kong.
Yes.
And, we've been traveling, right?
Yeah, we've been traveling. We just came back from Malaysia the other day, and it was quite interesting. The amount of circuit board assemblers and OEMs and customers in just a 2-mile square area was just unbelievable. It was like a shopping list of all these names. It's unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. They're big. They're huge.
They're huge. And what was equally surprising was the number of board houses that weren't in Malaysia.
We didn't find a lot of them, and also not very high tech as well.
No, and that's unfortunate. I mean, we came across a few that show promise. Again, what we said last time, we came out here for automotive and the high tech, which is 16 layers and above, blind berry vias. And yes, they do HDI out here in Thailand and Malaysia, but they don't do enough of it.
There maybe only a handful of them are doing those things. Yeah. But I mean, you can't find many of them, with such a big demand right now in that market. Honestly, it is interesting.
We were just discussing this last night. There is a lack of capacity when it comes to high mix, low medium volume, high technology. I mean, not HDI, I mean HDI for 16 layer and above outside of China.
Yeah, this is. I think they are developing.
They got to.
But I don't think they are there yet to supply to the mass market there or the high tech market in the States.
Yes. Now dealing with Malaysia, we were able to find our automotive. That was not an issue. Automotive, anything 8 layer and under. I mean, right now, not a problem. When you get to the higher tech, then we get into, like I said, not a technology problem, just a capacity to do that technology. And but we like Malaysia.
Oh, the people are friendly, very nice.
Between the communication, they speak English, they speak Chinese. I mean, there was almost more of an ease than even Thailand comparison.
Thailand, sometimes you still have to talk to them in Thai for the workers. But in Malaysia, it seems English will be the language that you can talk to everybody over there, right?
Right. And another thing that we've noticed about Malaysia is because a lot of the companies, the OEMs, the EMS companies that are there, a lot of them are, have a lot of Japanese backing, a lot of Japanese management. So even the management style, the technology, the customs and courtesies, how the factories are run or ran, would be, more of Japanese style. So as far as a quality standpoint,
I have no problem with it.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to be looking into that. Now, with that being said, as Clement, you'll see more in our co-authored column here, but with the proofs in the pudding, we saw the technology, saw what they can do. The lead times, again, were...
It is some concern there.
Yeah.
It will take a little bit longer, at least 4 to 6 weeks for them, right?
Right.
To process an order. So it is quite long.
Yeah, I mean, we've been spoiled with our vendors in Taiwan and China, which, you get anything built just about in 3 weeks.
Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks, pretty normal in Taiwan and China.
Right. So we're looking at that, and then I said before, the proofs in the pudding, we're quoting, we're doing a lot of practice quotes. As I always say, quote for fun, let's see where we stand.
Give us quote for fun too.
Yes, that's right. Let us know. We have a solution here. So basically, we want to see where it stands best for pricing and then go from there. Because a lot of them were honest with us. They were not sure about the U.S. market and what was needed. So a lot of them were, just as we were asking them questions, they were asking us questions.
Exactly. And they don't know, or they are not familiar with where the technology is going in the States or in the market in the States. Right. So it is interesting as well. Where we want to expand to them, they want to expand to us as well.
All right. Well, that's it for today.
Yeah.
And so we'll be talking to you shortly for our final installment, coming from Hong Kong here as we talk about China and Taiwan.
Yeah, we do our recap in the next one.
Yes.
All right. Until then,
cheers.
See you.